Hey guys, welcome to another quick ass food review. Today I'll be eating Filipino food. This is all homemade here in America, I promise. So we've got I forgot already.
Which one's what?
Beef.
That is the pork belly out of the fish.
Pork belly and fish sauce.
Fish face. Lumpia.
Lumpia.
Kare kare and garlic rice.
Excellent. All right, I'm gonna try all this. First, I'm gonna try the beef. This in the fish paste. Pork and fish paste. It's a lot better than the flavor, than the taste. Not the taste, the smell of it. The shrimp sauce just smelled, or the shrimp paste was awful smelling. Sorry. Okay, that was pretty good. I gotta finish it.
Push the button.
Okay.
Dad. Yummy.
Next, I'm gonna try this. I got okra and rice. This is something I helped make. Cece, hold on, buddy. Hey, don't touch that, please.
Can I have your fork?
Okra's pretty good. This is rice. Some eggplant. I don't really eat eggplant very often. I forgot that I kind of like okra. That I learned. Alright, now I'm going to have this lumpia, which is probably the closest to an American food we have here. This is egg roll. Heck yeah. I love it.
Yummy.
So the big thing about this pork belly here, we had this in a shrimp paste that smells so potent that it was just, oh my goodness, we couldn't even handle it. But luckily Kitty helped it out by changing it a little bit. I'm going to have the pork belly again, but I'm going to add some okra. Pretty good. That's a 4, 5. You need something? I think my favorite thing on this plate is the lumpia because it's a fried meal. And then we got the rice. Cece, please stop. Alright, well that is Filipino food. Thank you, everybody.